Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye, and today I'm bringing your way one of the best hair growth products, and we are going to be using 3 simple home or kitchen ingredients. These are things that you use almost every day. The first thing is ginger. So guys, I'm doing this without electricity. I'm doing it without blender because a lot of people that watch my channel are from the remote areas. I don't know if I should put it that way. They say I do videos for only urban people and they are unable to do it because they don't have blender. So I am going to do it the local way without blender. I am using the Asanka, the earthenware. So what I did first is to blend my ginger, grind it actually with the earthenware into paste. Then the next thing is our butter. This is shea butter. We are going to be doing avocado butter. So to do that, we need shea butter and avocado. So avocado, I mean pear. So the first thing you're going to do is just pour the butter in the bowl and then add our pear to it. So after adding the pear, if you have a blender, just blend it as a faster and smoother. Just blend the pear and the shea butter and the ginger together, and it's even faster. But then because I want to do it the local way to show you that you can do it without blender too, I am doing it this way. So because I'm not using blender, I just went ahead, use my hand to mash it very well. I don't want to see any particles in my hair, so guys, I have to do it very nicely, finely. I have to mash everything very well with my hand. So if you have blender, this shouldn't be a problem. All you have to do is blend it for some few seconds and poof, you are good to go. To prevent, I was just preventing particles in my hair. I don't want any particles, so I went the extra mile to use this to do some more grinding, some more mixing to just get the avocado into paste. So you might be wondering, why can't I just melt the pear, how do you call it, the shea butter? But then I couldn't melt the shea butter because if it is liquid, I'll not be able to mash my avocado pear into it. So the next thing is to add our blended or our grinded ginger and also do another serious or vigorous mixing. Charlie, this is not easy at all. So with blender it will be very easy, super fast. Within few minutes you are done with your avocado paste. So this avocado paste actually rejuvenates your hair. It's actually the game changer for natural hair. All you have to do is use it as a paste on your hair. Cover your hair for at least 1 hour before you wash it off, and it gives your hair this shiny look, this texture that you always want, and it's very good. And I'm doing this because I read that avocado butter is very good for the hair, and somebody has been using it for the past 1 year and her hair is super nice. So guys, I'm bringing it your way. If you've never used it, grab your blender, your avocado and your butter and do some, then put it on water to melt to allow easy application. So guys, this is what I have for you today, a new way of doing your avocado butter. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video, and trust me, it's going to be mind-blowing. Don't forget to subscribe to the video if you are new, and also if you are an OG, don't forget to like and share. Leave a comment in the comment section so we vibe. So guys, until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video, bye.